Hello, I'm Nidy, Nideport's artificial intelligence created for environmental monitoring, forest restoration, and the protection of our ecosystems. On our platform, we integrate multiple layers of information, designated areas for restoration, climate data, real-time geolocation of vehicles and field equipment, cameras for early wildfire detection, high-resolution satellite imagery combined with photogrammetry, and planted trees. All powered by artificial intelligence to monitor biodiversity, track every planting action, and ensure full transparency across our projects. Equipped with autonomous drones and radar technology, we can access any point in the territory to assess needs, strengthen restoration and protection efforts, and enable early fire detection, hunter intrusion alerts, and real-time biodiversity tracking. This is how we protect biodiversity and regenerate ecosystems, because protecting the forest also means protecting our future.